Hi friends, welcome to my channel that is Versatile Love with Ethana. Today I am here to show you the another recipe. It is mocha and today I am describing you how to make mocha. This is roughly chopped, this mocha. After that I will boil it off. So let's see how to do it. So friends, here my mocha is now boiled and here I am switch on the gas and now adding some oil. This is Emami healthy and tasty rice bran oil. Very less amount of oil I have taken, and now this is bodi. First of all I would like to fry it off this bodi. This is total veg dishes. You can fry it off at your home. First of all I will fry it off well. Fry it off well. They should be turns in red color, red brown color. So we have to wait for that. Very 1 to 2 minutes required to fry it off this bodi. This is dal bodi. As because the body is soaking oil too much, that is why it is required to be given very less amount of oil, otherwise they will soak total oil. This is totally veg dishes, not adding, in Bengali we are not veg dishes means we are not adding any garlic or onion. So this type of vegetables is very tough to cook because the taste, enhancing the taste, only the ginger, and definitely I'll be adding some ghee over here. Okay, yes, you can see the turns in red brown color. So now friends, here I am adding much more oil, and for foron here I am using the total whole cumin seeds and chili. Now I am adding potato, and need to be fried it off very well, but they are cut into very small size because our mocha is already boiled. Mocha means the flour of banana which we can eat, and each and every flower of banana is not eatable. If the banana flour is from raw banana, the bitterness may be there, so it is better to, while you are buying, just taste it off, because in the marketplace so many banana flowers available or mocha available, but you have to be careful that which type of raw banana can be buying or can be eatable, because the shopkeeper may be make you foolish if you don't know about the raw banana. The pricing of raw banana comes 25-20 depending upon the availability. So here I am adding ginger, not paste. I am grating the ginger, as well as I am adding here a little pinch of salt and cumin powder. So friends, here I can see my potato well fried. Now I am adding the ginger which I have grated. Again need to be sorted because you need Here the very little bit of big amount of ginger, because the ingredients here is only the ginger and cumin, so you need little bit much more ginger. Usually we use in vegetable, you can see. Yes, the rawness of ginger is gone. Now I'm adding cumin powder. So here is the hero is the ginger and cumin powder. They are actually enhancing the taste of raw bananas flowers and mocha. Yes. It's done. Now adding, I'm not here using any turmeric powder, using salt here. We have already used salt while boiling the mocha, so we have to be very careful the using of salt. So here I am stopping here and reducing the flame of the gas, because now I am adding the mocha with the potato. So friends, here you can see the boiled mocha already been added with the potato, and also give some water too, so that the spices can goes inside the potatoes and as well as the mocha. So we have to be wait for 10 minutes. Okay, after that we will again come and see the next process. So till then we have to cover it with a lid. So friend, here I am adding some sugar. Sugar and mix it well. Need to be wait to that the water can be soaked. After that we will be adding some garam masala powder, and at the very end I'll be adding some ghee. So here friends, I am adding bori and mix it well. Mix it well. Now friends, adding some ghee. And switch off the gas. Yes, mochar ghanto or tarkari, mocha curry is ready to eat. It's very mouth warming. Friends, you can try it at your home, and please let me know how it is. So here I am close the lid so that the enhance of the ghee can goes inside. So you can see this is the process of making mochar ghanto. Okay, so friends, if you like this video, if you like my channel, please tell me how it is, and also if you want to say something, please tell me in comment section box. Till then, have a nice day, have a wonderful day. Tata, bye bye.